Shut up and sit down.
Greetings, fellow Earth travelers. Oblix here. Today, I want to talk to you about our Watch Gang Black Tier subscription for December 2018. How y'all doing today? So, quick wrist check. I am wearing the Jerome Lamar Noir, which was our November 2018 Black Tier subscription from Watch Gang. So let's get this guy opened up and take a look at what's inside. For those that remember, Watch Gang is a blind subscription service. So at the black tier, which is the middle tier, we pay $100, 99 bucks, and we get a watch between $150 and I think $500 if I remember right. I think I've said this enough I would remember. Alright, you ready? Let's pop this bad boy open. I am super excited, guys. This is like a Christmas gift to myself. Yay me. So, as I record this, it is December 20th. So, only 5 days left till Christmas. So excited. Alright, let's get this guy opened up. And we've got the usual insert for December. Fantastic. We'll take a look at that later. And the star of the show is a black box. There you go, guys. Black box. Woohoo! Hooray for black box. Alright, you ready? Let's see if we flip it over. And it's a black box. Black box all the way around. Yep. Big black box. Actually, a little black box. Alright, let's slide this guy open. And we've got a Heritor. Now, we've already gotten our very first Watch Gang watch for Black Tier was a Heritor. It was the Heritor Morrison, which I did like quite a lot. So let's take a look at this guy. Ready? If I can get it to come off. It's fighting me. And boom. It is another Heritor Morrison, though this one is on a stainless steel band. Well, there you go. Actually, the box is quite a bit different. But, guys, ironically, hold on. Alright, guys, I've brought you down and in a little bit closer, give you a closer up look at the Heritor Morrison. Now, I have not peeled all the plastic off because I want to show you something real quick. Bam! It's another Heritor Morrison. Look at that. And ironically, guys, this was our very first Watch Gang Black Tier subscription watch many, many months ago. And somebody didn't get the memo because they sent us not only the same watch, but in the exact same coloration that we had before, which is just ironic. The only thing that did change up is we went from the leather band to the stainless steel band. It's actually a nice stainless steel band. I really do like the band a lot. It's a 5-link band, and it is solid links with butterfly clasps. I do think it looks better on the leather. I have really enjoyed this watch. You can actually tell I've got it scratched right here. I've worn it so much because it is just a mineral crystal. But yeah, I think somebody might have goofed just a little bit. Yeah. I'm guessing I should probably contact Watch Gang support and say, hey guys, I don't think you got the memo. So, I don't know. We'll take a look and see. Feel free to watch the review I did on this watch many months back. I'll put a link in the down yonder. No real need to do a review on this one other than the band change. I said I do like the band. I just don't think it looks great on this watch. I think the leather looks so much better on this watch. But yeah, that's our Watch Gang Black Tier subscription. I got a feeling this one's probably got to go back. And if whatever happens, I'll let you guys know. You know I'll fill in the blanks. So there you go. Watch Gang Black Tier subscription for the month of December 2018. Till next time, guys, y'all get out there and make some noise. We'll see you.